Hi mga suki, welcome back to my vlog. Today's pedicure session is all about giving those tired toes some serious TLC. From cleaning, shaping, to removing every bit of dry skin. If you love satisfying nail care transformations, stay tuned because you won't want to miss this glow up. Don't forget to like, comment, and follow me for more satisfying videos. Thanks for watching.